Hello, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to be doing a stock M2 comp video of my M2. You guys have seen it on the channel before. Sebi's my cameraman, you guys have seen him on the channel before. We've got his car here, all carboned up, really nice. We'll start off with just kind of what my car is. It's completely stock exhaust, stock decat, no tune on it, burbles, etc. is all stock. I'm not going to say anything, let's just get the video rolling. Put your headphones on, enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go. Alright, Sport Plus startup. Here's a little walk because I've been driving around.
Doesn't want to do it.
Nah, I'm probably going to drive a little bit more first before let me do a launch. I'll just floor it off here. In order to do a launch, you have to have traction fully off. That wasn't deliberate, but
the smell of that.
It absolutely stinks.
It stinks. And have you seen your tire marks?
I'll try it again. Traction fully off.
Well, this way, yeah.
Respectable.
So Asbo.
It's respectable.
It's so
See, when you hear
antisocial.
that, you think, why change it?
Got 2 modes, 5k burbles, and 7k bangs all the way up to rev line. I don't know why. That one's always cold. No idea why. Right, I'd say that's the end of the video. It's a bit of a mashup between videos today and then a load of other stuff that I've filmed throughout the year. I've just been basically just filming random stuff and waiting for the weather to get better so I could give you guys this video. So, if you liked it, please like it, please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you later.